How to copy text from a picture on iPhone. So all you have to do is to get ready your camera here. Let's go to our camera. And here, as you can see, there is a text here. Now, to be able to actually copy text from iPhone is you just have to set your phone here. Let's say this one. Now wait for iPhone to recognize that it's a text. Now here you will see different sizes for lens, right? You see zero point 0.5 here. And then on the right side, you will see this icon here. You will see this copy text icon here. The text icon. Recognize the text. Now, the next thing you want to do is to, of course, copy the text here. And then if you're done copying it, let's try going to our messages rather, and then just paste our copied text here from our camera. And as you can see, we have successfully copied the text. And basically, that is how you copy text from a picture on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.